Hey there, welcome to our channel, and if you want to transfer your money from Apple Pay to the Cash App instantly, then here's how you can just do it. So watch till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first thing, let's get into the screen. So first you have to do is open your browser. Here I'm going to show you how you can find. There's a couple of steps that you have to follow. The first thing, you can use Cash App card and you can link Cash App card on your Apple Pay. So for that you have to do is open your Cash App account and click on your profile or account settings. Now next click on linked banks or followed by linked debit card. You can find this type of option. Then enter the details that of the card linked to your Apple Pay that actually already you have linked or added to your Apple Pay. You have to add the card number, the CVV, and the expiry date and the zip code. Once you have done it, you can simply click on link card. So with these steps, you can successfully link Cash App to your Apple Pay. Now here's how you can transfer money from Apple Pay to Cash App using a linked bank account. So first step is transfer money from Apple Pay to your linked bank account. It could be any bank that you have added to your Apple Pay. Once you have done it, then you have to simply go to your Cash App, then click on this bank, and from here you have to do is direct deposit here, or you can get bank or wire transfer. So you can easily transfer the money or get the money when you have added the same bank account on your Cash App, and at this point this bank will help you to transfer the money from Apple Pay to your bank account. Then you can deposit the money from your bank account to your Cash App. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.